Hi, my name is Shreyas and this is my project creating a basic neural network from scratch. I made this project during the beginning years of my AI journey, and I think it till date holds up as a pretty good beginner project. That is because here I have used no advanced frameworks or pre-built functions, but only basic Python to create a neural network from scratch, which can classify the images of handwritten digits. So here, this is my code which I am running. Here I have to give it access to my Google Drive to take the data set. And so let me just run it and show you. So for my very basic version, I have created a neural network which takes in the pixels of the image as an input and has 10 neurons as a hidden layer, and the output layer also consists of 10 neurons with digits from 1 to 10. So here I have split my data from training to testing. Pretty standard stuff. So here I can see I have 59,000 data points, all of them 784 size. So here all the functions I've created by hand, and so I'll just stop running this function because this function runs for 500 epoch. I don't want to waste that much of your time. I'm just going to run this for 100 epochs and show you that for the first iteration my randomly initialized model is giving me a 10% accuracy, which is expected since I'm detecting and classifying digits from 1 to 10. A random guess would have a 10% accuracy, and as you can see, every iteration the accuracy increases very rapidly. During the initial times, the accuracy increases very rapidly from 10 to 14 to 27% to 37% to 42, and now up to 52%. And so let's just let it run for 100 epochs, and in 100 epochs the accuracy has risen up to 63%, which is quite impressive. Let me just do a couple of custom classifications here using some custom data points. As you can see here, the 5 is classified as a 5, the label is 5, and the prediction is also 5. Here it is a 2 and 2, it is an 8 and 8, and a 6 and 6. We can take some other values too, and we might be able to find some mistakes. If I just let's see, and while I run this, here I have the data of what I had trained before. On 500 time steps I got an accuracy of 83%. As I kept running for 4000 time steps, I got a peak accuracy of 93%. So as you can see, for example, here the label is 9, but my model predicts it as a 4. And to be honest, this is quite an understandable mistake because here this part is disconnected. So even a child might look at this and mistake this 9 for a 4. But for our peak model, I have a couple of examples here from our peak model which had 100% accuracy. And so I had also created a couple of other models, one with 1 layer and 20 nodes, one with 2 layers of 10 nodes, and one with 2 layers of 20 nodes. And what we found out was that the deeper neural networks, one with 2 layers, achieved a higher peak accuracy but took longer to train. This was a very interesting insight, and this is actually a quite well-known phenomenon because the more the layers, the slower the gradient descent becomes, and if it becomes too big for modern networks, this can cause a problem called vanishing gradient. So it is quite interesting that I got to see a glimpse of that using such a simple code and simple architecture. So this is my project. I hope you liked it. Thank you.